For businesses, digital transformation is no longer a nice-to-have initiative, but a must-have one that can affect every aspect of their operations. It's simple. Adopt digital transformation or risk succumbing to the competition. Indeed, digital transformation efforts have greatly accelerated as companies reshape their business models and look to manage hybrid workforces, automated workflows, distributed cloud environments, heightened cybersecurity threats, enhanced customer experiences, and the uncharted waters of generative AI. To paraphrase one CIO, if your company continues with the old ways of doing things, it's going to miss the boat to ongoing business success. We'll examine the basics of digital transformation as well as benefits and challenges, developing a strategy, and what else businesses need to know about it. For a deeper dive, explore our complete collection on all things digital transformation by clicking the link above or in the description below. Digital transformation is the incorporation of computer-based technologies into an organization's products, processes, and strategies. Often large in scope, a digital transformation initiative can require an examination and reinvention of all facets of an organization, from supply chains and workflows, to employee skill sets and org charts, to customer interactions, and more. Digital technologies and processes enable organizations to adeptly respond to customer demands now and as they evolve. Digital transformation also builds the infrastructure and skills required to take advantage of fast-evolving technologies. And it positions organizations to survive and thrive in a future where technology is the critical economic driver. But digital transformation requires cultural adjustment as well as technology adoption. Business leaders must build agile organizations that are able to deal with change and uncertainty as permanent fixtures of corporate life. In doing so, they'll be better equipped to navigate emerging developments such as the latest generation of AI and the enormous influence it's expected to have on digital transformation methods and goals. Digital transformation emerged more than a decade ago as an antidote to digital disruptors. The threat of disruption continues to drive initiatives today as companies recognize that they need to adapt to the changing market forces driven by digitalization. IDC reported in 2023 that 82% of organizations believe they must invest in digital transformation or be left behind by business rivals. And nearly half of the business executives it surveyed said one of the greatest threats they face is the ability to keep pace with technological innovation. This heightened sense of urgency is also reflected in Grandview Research's forecast that worldwide digital transformation spending will reach $4.6 trillion by 2030. Growing by nearly 27% annually. Examples of digital disruptions are plentiful. One is the oft-cited case of Blockbuster and its 9,000 video rental stores globally in the early 2000s. The company's market presence and relevance tumbled rapidly when Netflix and others harnessed emerging technologies to offer on-demand entertainment via streaming video services. Another well-known example is the rise of Amazon, from online bookseller to an e-commerce juggernaut that redefined the retail industry. More recently, fintech companies are challenging traditional financial institutions, and fast fashion retailers are using AI to overtake long-established apparel providers. The danger of market leaders being disrupted and displaced is only expected to continue as emerging technologies enable new business models, more engaging customer experiences, novel products and services, and other innovations. Successful digital transformations yield ongoing business benefits. Those benefits can come in different forms depending on the organization's goals. But the following core benefits of digital transformation are all interrelated and interdependent. Increased efficiency and productivity, better resource management, greater business agility and resiliency, improved customer engagement and personalization, increased responsiveness to market demands, stepped up IT modernization, more product and process innovation, faster time to market with new products and services, increased revenue and profits, and continued relevancy in the market. While the benefits of digital transformation are plentiful, it can be difficult to get there. A Gartner survey found less than 1/3 of companies have made significant advancements in reaching their digital transformation goals. Cultural roadblocks and changing customer expectations rank among the top digital transformation challenges, contributing to an estimated failure rate in the 70 to 80% range. The most common reasons digital transformation initiatives fail are lack of executive sponsorship, not having a collaborative culture, not hiring people with the right digital transformation skills, lack of clear goals, IT infrastructure complexity, failing to think through all the issues with the required technology, adopting a fail-fast attitude without committing to improve on failed projects, over-focusing on technology fads, pushing technologies that aren't aligned with transformation objectives, lack of broad organizational alignment on business strategy, not putting appropriate oversight in place, not determining the right objectives and key results, or OKRs, to measure business value, and legacy applications that don't support digital initiatives but can't easily be replaced. Building a digital transformation culture is often cited as the single most important task for organizations engaged in transformation initiatives. Leaders need to create a culture that fosters continuous improvements and where business stakeholders are open to ongoing change. Everyone must be willing to abandon outdated and ineffective processes and replace them with something better. But that's easier said than done. The biggest obstacles include the complexity of the current organizational environment, siloed mindsets and behaviors, the difficulty of getting a universal commitment to continuous learning, and complications on change management and implementation. Without attention to such critical cultural requirements, a company could end up with modern technologies that enable more efficient or effective processes, but fail to truly transform how the organization operates and the value it produces. No single technology enables digital transformation, but here are a few that play critical roles and why. Cloud computing often provides the foundation for digital transformation initiatives, with its elastic compute and data storage services, plus offerings like cloud-based CRM and ERP systems. Commodity technology enables businesses to focus money and people on IT customizations that can differentiate them in the marketplace. Mobile platforms enable work to be done wherever and whenever. Machine learning and AI tools, fueled by comprehensive data management programs, deliver insights for faster, more accurate decisions in sales, marketing, product development, and other strategic areas. Edge computing provides another tier for enterprise compute and storage, enabling digital uses in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and retail. IoT generates vast amounts of data through sensors embedded in myriad devices to drive cloud and edge-based data analytics. Hyperautomation uses machine learning, AI, robotic process automation, and business process management technologies to scale automation across an enterprise. And emerging technologies such as generative AI, blockchain, 5G, and both virtual and augmented reality are helping organizations move faster, work more efficiently, and create new products and services. Digital transformation requires a carefully planned approach to using technologies to achieve business objectives. The specific goals will depend on the scope of an initiative and the available resources. An organization could focus strictly on the goal of transforming a particular business process, or aim for a more wide-ranging business model transformation that reinvents a business segment or the entire operation. While each organization's definition of success will differ, these 5 steps are broadly useful for developing a strategic plan. First, understand the market, your organization's place in it, and existing and potential customers. Second, analyze where the market is heading so your organization can anticipate the potential for digital disruption, and how it can be the disruptor instead of being disrupted by others. Third, identify the potential value proposition for digital transformation through internal evaluation and external research. Fourth, develop a vision for what the organization should be in the future, including how its products and services should evolve to meet customer needs and expectations. And fifth, create a digital transformation roadmap that plots out a way to move to the desired future state. Building the right team may well be the most important component of a successful digital transformation strategy. That process starts at the top. The CEO usually appoints the person who will be in charge of the digital transformation initiative. At some companies, that might be the chief digital officer or someone hired specifically to work on digital transformation. At other companies, the CIO, CTO, or COO might have responsibility for the initiative. IT teams handle a significant amount of the work associated with selecting, implementing, and managing the technologies that enable digital transformation efforts. An IT team working on a digital transformation initiative must be able to test, deploy, and scale new technologies quickly. Critical IT roles for digital transformation include cloud architects, data architects, digital product managers, information security leaders, scrum masters, systems integrators, and UX engineers. As part of developing a digital transformation strategy, executives should also assess the organization's current capabilities, from employee skills to its existing IT stack, then determine what additional capabilities are needed and devise a plan to obtain them. In addition, transformation leaders will need to draw on traditional disciplines like project management and newer techniques like agile methodologies to successfully bring their organization and its culture, people, and technologies into the digital future. Digital transformation isn't a one-time exercise. Promoting a culture of adaptability and planning for constant change are among the best practices for digital transformation. Businesses must evaluate their transformation strategy on an ongoing basis and transform it as needed to achieve maximum business value. A company that doesn't do so might only succeed at turning itself into a business failure.